back to my channel, and if you are new in my channel, hello, I'm Shuma, and today in this video you are going to see this traditional Bengali makeup look inspired by upcoming Durga Puja Navaratri festive. To create this makeup look I use most affordable and low price product, but the quality of this product is not low at all. See my makeup, you can understand the quality by seeing this makeup. To create this eye makeup, I use these eyeshadows, cost only Taka 20. And to apply these eyeshadows, I didn't use any eye brushes because eye brushes are also so costly, and most girls in Bangladesh don't know how to use eye brushes. So I will show you the basic and easy way to apply these eyeshadows and get this makeup look. And the foundation I use is a PanCake foundation named Gopinath, price only Taka 80. I hope you will like this video and it will be helpful to you. So if you like this video, then please give a like to my video and subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. Hit this red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new videos, and it's absolutely free. Now let's get started to this video. Starting with priming my face with Bold Light Paris Makeup Fixing Gel. After applying this gel all over my face, I will wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then I will apply my foundation. For foundation today I am using a pancake makeup named Gopinath. It's made in India, Kolkata. And the price of this pancake is 80 Taka in Bangladesh. I will also going to use a yellow color pancake with this 25 pancake. You will also need a sponge like that. It's a makeup applying sponge and a small bowl of water. Now I'm soaking this beauty blender into the water. After soaking the beauty blender into the water, now I am squeezing the excess water from it and then rubbing the beauty blender onto the pancake and applying it all over my face. Don't forget to apply it on your neck and ears too. Right now this pancake is looking little bit whitish, but when I will mix the yellow color with this pancake, it will look perfect on my skin. Okay, now I'm going to use the yellow color pancake. It's also from Gopinath. Mixing this yellow color pancake with the 25 number pancake and applying it all over my face. Now to set my pancake foundation, I'm using loose powder or face powder. It's from Kosmik number 21. And if you don't have loose powder or face powder, you can use talcum powder. Applying little bit more powder under my eyes to avoid the messiness of eyeshadows. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'm using these shadows. It's only cost Taka 20. Look at the pigment. These colors are so pigmented. And for applying this eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow applicator. I'm not going to use any eye brushes. So first I'm taking this red colored eyeshadow. And now with the help of this eyeshadow applicator, I'm applying this red shade, targeting the outer corner of my eyes and also the eye crease area. You have to blend it well. I'm applying this eyeshadow on my lower lash line too, only half of my lower lash line. harsh line of this eyeshadow, now I'm taking a clean applicator, eyeshadow applicator, and smudging it so there is no harsh line. Again taking some red color and applying it on my outer corner of my eyelid. I want my outer corner looks a little bit darker, so I'm applying more eyeshadow. If you don't have an eyeshadow applicator, you can smudge it with your finger and clean the edges or harsh line. Now I'm applying the gold color and I'm applying it with the help of my finger. My eyes are hooded eyes, so when I am opening my eyes, the gold color mixing with the red color, so I am increasing the gold color a bit higher upwards. Blending the joining place of these two eyeshadow, and I'm blending it with my finger. I forget to draw my eyebrow at first of my eye makeup look. So now I'm going to drawing my eyebrow. For drawing my eyebrow, I'm using this eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is so common. It cost taka 20 to 30 taka. I'm using the brown one first, brown color first. After applying the eyebrow pencil, I always blend it with my finger so it look natural. I like to use black color outer corner of my eyebrow. Cleaning messiness around my eyebrow, and now I'm going to use this eyeshadow, powdery eyeshadow. Look at the pigment, the shininess. I'm going to use this eyeshadow as my highlighter. And the price of this eyeshadow is taka 20. To highlighting my inner corner, I am using the same powdery shadow. Now cleaning the loose powder and the messiness. Now I am drawing my eyeliner. For drawing my eyeliner, I am using Lakme eyeliner and I am applying it or drawing it with a 0-point painting brush. It cost only 20 to 30 taka and you can easily find it in Gausia Market, Dhanmondi. I draw a small wing inner corner of my eyes and now I am applying kajal on my waterline. It's Miss and Mrs. Kajal. You can use any kind of a kajal as per your choice. Make sure it is black color. Again, I'm drawing my eyeliner. Now I'm drawing it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to smudge my lower lash line kajal with brown color shade. You can use any brown color shade or blusher. I'm using this brown color shade from TJ35 Deep Palette and smudging my kajal. I'm going to use this same brown color shadow. This is the eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it to contour my face. You can use any brown color eyeshadow or blushon to contouring your face. Just make sure they don't have too much shimmer in it. You have to blend your contouring very well. Make sure there is no harsh line. For blushon, I'm going to use again a eyeshadow powder. This red color eyeshadow powder I'm using here as my blushon. If you have red blushon, you can use it, and if you don't have, you can use your eyeshadow as your blushon. Now I'm contouring my nose with the same brown color eyeshadow. To avoid the harshness of my blushon, I took some foundation on this puff and applying it on my blushon. Now applying some loose powder just below to the contouring, and also I'm applying this powder on my nose contouring to avoid the harshness. Now I am applying this powder all over my face and cheeks. I wear my eye lenses. It's from Bella Circle Blue. Applying highlighter. See the shininess. Is that eyeshadow, powdery eyeshadow, cost only Taka 20. I'm applying it with a brush. It's a non-brand brush, but if you don't have any brush, then you can apply it by your finger. Applying the same highlighter. Applying the same highlighter on my nose. I'm also applying it on my keyboard bone. If you don't have brush, then you can easily use it with your finger. Lipstick, I'm using a soft brown color lipstick. First, I'm drawing my lip with Jordana brown lip liner and fill it with Jordana lipstick natural. All the product I'm using here are given to the description box below. Please check it out. Now I'm blending my lip liner with a cap of a lip liner pencil. Now once again I'm applying my Jordana lipstick. The price of the Jordana lipstick is 180 to 200 taka. But you can buy Huda Beauty replica lipstick in the same color. It will cost 100 taka. Now applying my mascara. This mascara is also cost 100 taka, and the mascara name is Morphe. It's waterproof. It's also a replica mascara, but the quality is too good. Now I am wearing my false lashes. I wear these false lashes. These false lashes cost 20 to 30 taka, and the glue, eyelash glue, cost 60 to 70 taka. Now I am wearing my bindi or tip, wearing my jewelries, my nose pin and jhumka. That's all. And this is my final look. See how easily you can do this makeup look and look gorgeous on your special occasion. Come to the end of this video. And if you like this video, then please give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.